Here this is how Azolla look like at the morning. I have been removing and opening the outlet so that to allow free circulation of water. That's to allow excess water to get outside the pond than the pond itself to overflow. And then we have one pond which water has that's floods has entered into one pond and washed away all Azollas. But today I'll be working on this pond. This is the pond which I have been saying. I'm saying here water has entered. This water is coming from the ridge, and the only way I could do is to open a strong ditch up to that point. Due to here we have the shallow point where all water is coming and settle at this, hence making the way to the Azolla pond. But I'm going to today I'll be making sure that I have removed or I have opened the ditch, and also make a strong wall on the that's a strong band of the pond, so that to allow to prevent water from breaking the band.